Molly.
Daming alam.
Daming alam. Ang ganda ng ang ganda.
I'll say the birthday.
Birthday,
Birthday, birthday, birthday.
birthday, birthday. Elsa sings Let It Go. Anna's here to join the show. Stitch is dancing, making fun. Miguel plays guitar for everyone.
Mirabelle brings magic light.
Snow White smiles so pure and bright. And today it's clear to see Princess Molly's meant to be. Happy birthday, Molly, our princess true, shining bright in all you do. Happy birthday, Molly, your dreams come true. We love you, yes we do. The castle doors are open wide. All your friends are by your side. Moana sails across the sea to sing along in harmony. Happy birthday, Molly, our princess true, shining bright in all you do. Happy birthday, Molly, your dreams come true. We love you, yes we do. Blow the candles, make a wish, eat your cake and favorite dish. Princess Molly, this is your day. Sing and laugh, hip hip hooray. Happy birthday, Molly, our princess true, shining bright in all you do. Happy birthday, Molly, your dreams come true. We love you, birthday, Molly, we love you.
Birthday.
Say dito. Ganda. Please, smile. Dikit ang kamay ko.
Hindi ma-detect sa baba. Lagi yun eh. Parang hindi. Hindi na kasi dala na yun.
Uy, Bish. Wow, ang ganda.
Hindi na bumalik.
Smile! Wag na. Yan. Smile! Smile!
Mga smile.
Naan yun na dito yan?
Yung kamay ko eh.
Smile!
Sige nga, smile.
Smile! Ah,
Wala, malaki.
ayan, tingin dito mali. Tingin sa camera, 1, 2, 3. Smile! Ah, tuloy. Mag-side ka, gumanto ka yung kamay mo.
Ano?
Smile! Eh, diba?
Smile! Smile!
Laki.
Smile!
Mali, daming fish. Nagdatingan sila.
Medium.
Medium to.
Or big. Big ba yun? Okay. Hindi ba laki?
Uy, ang ganda. Yan lang, malaki mo ulit.
Oh, malaki! Laki!
Ang laki nun. Na,
Laki eh. Laki!
dadaan ulit yan mamaya.
Yeah. Uy, yan, maliit ang cute. Maliit. Oh. Ay, saan ikaw? Ang laki!
Mabalik-balik mo ulit, malalaki.
Ikot-ikot! Malalo. Ko.
See?
Si Molly.
Molly, balat ng snake, oh. Ito, balat ng snake.
Molly, tignan mo yung skin. Skin ng snake. Nagpapalit sila ng skin pag sila nagduduin. May ice cream ko. Normal ako ng salwas. Balat. Nagbabalat yun. Bagong balat yun.
Ayaw gumalaw.
Ayaw gumalaw?
Ilang linaw.
Yeah. Yeah, parang hanapin natin yung snake. Yan, penguin na, penguin. Naghanap ng food. Ilang sa baba? Kunyari na isla.
Molly, tinatouch ng bata, oh. Yung fish doon. Tara. Ay, ito. Ang dami. Shark, Molly. Molly, ito. Ang daming shark.
Dami siya. Oh, may mga baby shark. May mga big shark.
Shark.
Tinanggal lang kami. Stingray yan mo, stingray. Kailangan ang dami doon, oh.
Alam niyo yan.
Sa gisan. Molly. Hi. Hi, Molly.
Make it large, dozen square. They have triangle, triangular head, and circular. So what? Are you ready to take? 17 earlier, and they will first Santa!
Molly. Hey, snake, Molly. Laki.
Now, we're gonna go on fire! Chaco! Chaco was power, wouldn't that Chaco? Chaco was
Kakatunan.
These birds can be found inside in the track, and that's a local one. There you go, that's all I'm doing in the track. And a full culture Chaco, we trainers there.
Pagkarating ito, nasa na agad ang flat. Umuwi na.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Oxford Park All-Stars Chloe Dean, Trainer Team. Now, here's an object that I have approved successfully on Papaya and Alphabet, and also Alphabet. Now guys,
Nakakala
you
popcorn.
stand up ability to find the season object. Well, let's
Nagdadance.
say, you can do it, Dodgel. Come on, Dodgel, find the season object for us. And here's Robin. Tanong mo pa, Dodgel. We trainer ako.
Hinalaan kung nasaan yung ano. Ay, lumipad!
Now, our
Lumipad!
next features are the black ordinary ball. Muna mo.
Kita mo, nag-try?
Yung parrot.
Yung parrot. Yan na, dalawa mo ulit.
And today, they will settle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game.
Magbabasketball.
Starts about now and divide you into three. So, here's the third court. Sassy Sugar, left ear here. Sassy, Sassy. So, the boys in the third court. Rocky, the boys, left ear here. Rocky, Rocky.
Rocky! Rocky!
Alright, so we're ready. Trainers ready, set, go. Here comes Rocky. For number 4, follow by Sassy. And second forward, Sassy. And he's up there. And go, gonna go. Who's gonna win it? Rocky wins. Trainer AJ, what can you tell us that? You guys losing time. Oh, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race.
Wala kita mo, nag-shoot ng ball?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again? Well, this time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win. So, what race do you have in mind? I'm thinking about bird race. And what is bird race? The first bird who can drop 3 into the hole, that's fastest is the winner and at is a winner.
Mali, mag-shoot ulit yung bird.
So, the race is Joby, another one. Boys, come on, where you want point? And girls, come on, let's do something to win this time. And we will do this again this time. Are you ready? Set, go!
Yan na, mag-shoot
Here comes the Rocky for the first win. Alright, what's happening?
Yeah.
And the winner is Sassy.
Nagsusot sa ship ko.
Because they're the second largest. Next to the They can draw 92 centimeter net and can draw 2 inches home. Constantly sarap load of data. They use curriculum seeds, math, salt, minerals, and local little box and more on and there you go. Celebrate life on the local first happy with either issue.
Hindi nakita. Ayun, maliit.
Together with the creators one more time. On your left side is the eldest theater has featured front sleepers. And we have also turned their back sleepers from features to not do. After all, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the point of appreciation. Come on, our applause for Isis and Ira. And guys, you know what? They have these long and flexible necks. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? And then the rubber comes for you right there. As you can see right there and running mouth, the sea will move up in underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water still features, plus rocky cliff recycle, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can even scale rocky cliffs. Check it out. Two strong leaders. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the gymnast. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using their own movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as a rudder for steering. And that is the normal flip. Nice, let me see. Take some Ira and finger first. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they achieve a burst velocity, ready I see, 25 miles per hour. Oh, look at that. That is so fast. Come on guys, another round of applause for Isis, the Indian. Ooh, nice glide. Thank you so much, Isis. Oh, and another one. She's actually going to get that. Good. Now let's more. Alright guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, salute. Good time. Could you please join our sea lions in a salute in a count of 3? Everybody please salute and let's make this one loud. So people in the crowd, are you ready? Come on guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Get those big ladies. And that's got it. A round of applause for Isis and Ira. There you go. Oh, and another one. Of course. James is there. So, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a any longer. We do it and each one of us will do what we can to protect the earth, all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer Irvin, Ayla and Trainer Earth, and all of us here at the podcast and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We will all enjoy, come back, and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Thank you for joining us. Bye. And by the way, guys, if you're also on our photos and you like to work, please approach our photographer over here wearing a white polo t-shirt. Thank you.
Next tayo, next pa, next. Galing na. Tara.
Serious.
Hindi serious, hindi pupunta sa'yo fish. Smile. Smile. Wala, nagpipicture ng kuwis sa sabi ko, smile.
Octopus, oh.
Malayo pa. Malayo tayo. Nakikita mo na yung water?
Good morning, fish.
Good morning, fish.
Dami.
Good morning, everyone. Lamig.
Wala, kita ka sa camera.
Lamig.
Tignan mo.
Lamig.
Sama ka sa akin eh.
Lamig.
Anong gagawin ko?
Lamig.
May basa? Kukuha ko.
Elephant here.
Ang laki. Ha? Yan yung pako. Laki oh.
Ayun!
Pako nga, nakalagay doon, pako. Isda ni ano? Isda ni Alkin. Yeah. Isda ni Alkin.
Nangangagat yan, bunso. At dito dati ang ano, jellyfish.
Ito talaga entrance.
Hindi, dito.
Mali, ghost! Di ba may ghost?
Yeah, those. Ganda.
Yan pa. Wala, yan ay ano, oh, parang worm. Fish yan. Oh, tima nagalaw.
Fish ba ito?
Yeah, fish yan.
Parang
Oo, oo. Oh. Mali oh, nalabas.
haba.
Bakit ah? Maliliit na fish yata dyan kaya may magnifying glass to. Doon sa kabila mali, wala tayong makita dyan. Wala din.
Ari? Wala daw. Ayun, oh, kita ko na sa bato. Oh.
Ay, yan pala yun, color red.
Wow, cute.
Tiny fish yan, kaya lang.
Then, oh. That is,
May shark sa loob.
paano siya makakupas?
Ewan. Hindi pa po saan eh.
Isa na yan.
Oo. Naganapit. Lobster. Lobster. Yeah, yun ay nasa
Si Nemo.
Sinimo ito, sinimo. Dami. Dami ko na. Yun, maliliit.
Nasaan?
Tiny sila. Ito yata nasa ating ano din. Ay, ito yata sa iba.
Tingnan natin yung laging nakatingin sa akin.
Yun, iba yung isa.
Asa sila? Please, Leia.
Oh, dami pala dito nakasabi.
Nakita si Mima. Ang lako ito.
Ganun sila mag-swim.
Bakit ka nag-swim?
Iba. Parang cortina. Lipat na tayo. Kaiba, may hair, red.
Wow!
Mali ang dami, kapareho nasa bed.
Yan malaki.
Oo. Mali dito ang dami.
Yan yung malaki, oh. Yung malalaki.
Yeah. Ay, may bulag. Bulag ka isang isa. Wala, binibili na tata sa market. Yan yung nasa bed na.
Basta na walang ice.
Nawala, naglalak. Mali, kinakain natin yan. Yung malaking yan. Muli, daming il.
Takot yung pupperfish na lobo. Sila nakakainin mo.
Ayun na ito. Pufferfish.
Wow! Cute.
Ano nga ang pangalan niyan, Molly, sa pinapanood mo?
Puffer.
Si Popper.
Ayun si Puffer. Malapit tayo si Puffer.
Hindi na po.
Yan, Molly. Yan, nakalapit sa'yo.
Ah, laki.
Ay, tinitingnan ka. Kikis. Ano pa, Molly? Nakikita tayo. Lumabo siya.
Ano mo pagbanso?
Laki.
Ano yun? Hindi ko. Hindi ko makita ang lumobo.
Ano ba si Puffer?
Grabe, laki.
Palaki siya ng palaki. Palaki
Ay,
ng
may
palaki.
pangil. No?
Lulutang siya mo, so malaki siya ng palaki.
Bukatot sa tao. Naglalabas na ng hangin. Laliit na. Oh, laliit. Oh. Yan yung kumis kay Molly.
Oo nga.
Yan, laliit na.
Tumuba ng konti.
Oo nga, hindi na nakuha ni Mama. Naging balon, ano? Oh, nagpapakit kay Mama. Nagpapakuha ng video.
Gusto ko matakot. Gusto ko lumobo. Gusto ko makita malobo.
Hindi siya... Hindi! Umalis. Umalis.
Okay, smile, Molly.
Ganun. Oo nga. Grouper yan, grouper. Grouper. Lagay mo ulit, lagay. Finger. Sa malaki, sa...
Ha? Bakit kinakalat?
May food ang aking finger. Lagay mo ang iyong kamay. Hindi masakit.
Minamassage nila, Molly.
Lagay mo ang
Massage.
kamay mo, lagay mo.
Dito. Si Mama, oh. No. Ganito.
Ang layo ng kamay mo. Ilagay mo ang kamay mo sa kamay ko.
Ay! Gulat ako.
Yan. Wait tayo, wait. Go. Ayaw kayo mo huling finger. Ayaw. Ayan na, pupunta na kay Molly. Yan, laki. Molly. Yan, babalik. Oh, babalik kay Molly. Yun. Ito mo, may iba. May ibang stingray na pupunta kay Molly.
Bawal sa tail.
Malaki ng bimbo.
Ang laki. Yan na lang, shark. Oh, shark na lang.
Ito mo yan? Ito talaga yun.
Yan na lang.
Maganda na pilay mo.
Starfish.
Molly, sila, seahorse. Molly, seahorse. Ay, ang ganda. Yeah. Nangangagat kaya.
Walang tela.
Mali natunog na yung ano, yung bus. 5 plus 5 equals 10 nga. Okay, balik na tayo. Bye-bye toys. Wala na. Tingnan ko na. Tara na. Timong floor. Wala, tingnan mo. Wala, oh.
Wala.
Tagal? Hindi mo kaya.
Close.
Yan, ayaw. Ulit. Si Tata nga.
Bakit?
Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Molly's smile is full of light. Balloons and cake are on the way, 'cause it's her very special day. It's Molly's special day. Hooray, hooray. Let's laugh and sing and shout, yeah, yeah. Put on your crown and lead the way. Molly, it's your special day.
Ako'y si Bangalistong, batang masigla. Laging nakangiti, puno ng sigla. Kahit maliit pa, kaya kong magwagi. Dahil sa puso ko, ako'y palaging happy. Bangalistong, taas noo kay galing. Kaya ko to kahit anong hamon ay harapin. Bangalistong, huwag kang matatakot. Sama-sama tayong babangon, laging abot ang pangarap ko. Pangarap ko. Marunong akong tumulong sa kapwa, mabait sa lahat kahit sa di kakilala. May pagkakamali, natututo ako, laging tatandaan, magpakatotoo. Bangalistong, taas noo kay galing. Kaya ko to kahit anong hamon ay harapin. Bangalistong, huwag kang matatakot. Sama-sama tayong babangon, laging abot ang pangarap ko. Pangarap ko. Kapag nadapa, babangon agad. Lakas ng loob, taglay ng bawat batang likas. Kulang man sa galing, basta
May naiyak ba yun eh? May naiyak. Gusto ko.
Isa pang guard.
Mama!
Yan, susubukan ni Tata sa guard. Isa pa tayong guard na dadaan.
Nagsara kayo sa kapatid.
Ayun, hindi pa na yung guard na nagbabaw sa'yo.
Ate, kinukuha dito naiyak na bata? Oo. Nandun eh. May mga guard, kinukuha ng guard na lang. Sabi na. Kinukuha nga daw ng guard.